How to make money in Facebook Marketplace. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook, enter your login credentials, and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, it will land you on this homepage. At the bottom, you'll find the option of Marketplace. Head over to it. Well, it's a place where you can buy or sell things. Selling items you already own is one of the best ways to make money on Facebook Marketplace. Common items for sale include furniture, clothing, electronics, books, and other items that you have no longer want but still have value. If you sell those items, it will be benefit to you. In order to do so, click on Create Listing. Tap on Items. So in this page, you can enter your item description that you want to sell. First of all, add the picture of the item, and then enter the title. Also set the price, which will be suitable for both customer and for the seller. Select the category and also mention the condition of the item. You can give more detail about the item in the description box. Also, don't forget to set the location. Once you are done, tap on Publish at the top right corner. And if someone is ready to buy your product, they will directly message you. And from there, you'll be able to make money on Facebook Marketplace. So that's it, and this is simply how you can make money on Facebook Marketplace. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.